Hi, I'm Mick Jensen, Service Manager at Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram.
And I'm Floyd Wendler, Service Advisor at Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram.
Now's the time to check your brake system. Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram will check your vehicle to make sure you're ready for winter driving. Cold weather along with road salt and sand can add extra stress to your brake system. We'll inspect your vehicle to make sure you're safe and ready to battle winter weather. The brake system inspection is part of the Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram 6-point weatherization inspection and is included with your next oil change, which includes semi-synthetic oil, new oil filter, and tire rotation for only $74.95.
Don't wait. Get started today. Call us to set an appointment and enjoy our new no-charge pickup and delivery service.
I'm Mick Jensen.
And I'm Floyd Wendler. See you soon at Staunton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, West Frontage Road, I-55 and exit 41, Staunton.